Hi everyone, Rod the Tool Guy here with ARES Tools. Today I have the ARES 54035 Deluxe and the 54036 two-piece Deluxe and Standard bearing packer kit. In this video I'm going to give a quick overview on how to use the two bearing packers. If you find this video helpful, please let us know with a like down below and a subscribe for more videos like this. So let's get into it. The 5436 two-piece Deluxe and Standard bearing packer kit comes in a box like this. You can also get the 54035, which is just the Deluxe bearing packer without the Standard bearing packer. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so here's your Standard bearing packer, and down here is the Deluxe bearing packer. So you unwrap your Standard bearing packer and you assemble it by inserting the hollow rod in here like this with the Zerk fitting on top, and then you of course would place your bearing in here and then screw down this firmly on top of your bearing, and we'll demonstrate that. With this one, remove your dust cover, very handy keeping the dust out. Push down on it to break it loose. Unscrew the plunger just a little bit to help it breathe, and out it comes. This universal kit is suitable for use with differential and axle bearings and for servicing machine bearings. It works with roller bearings, tapered and non-tapered bearings, and ball bearings up to 3.5 inches outside diameter. To use the standard universal bearing packer, unscrew the top from the base, inserting the bearing, and screw the top back on. Next, attach a grease dispenser to the grease fitting or Zerk fitting, then pump the handle on the dispenser, forcing the new grease into the bearing. If you're packing a used bearing, look for all the old grease to be pushed out. Once you see the new grease, the process is complete. Disassemble the bearing packer and pull out the bearing. Coat the rest of the bearing with grease and wipe off all the excess, and it's ready for installation. You want to give the bearing a quick spin and make sure there are no dry spots on the bearing before installing. Next, we have the Deluxe bearing packer. This is nice because it's all self-contained and it has a lid to keep the dirt out while in storage. We've also added a second O-ring for improved compression over similar models. It's less messy than the universal bearing packer and faster. It features a durable, transparent housing for visually inspecting the process. Now, there's two ways of getting grease into the reservoir. Option 1, you pull the plunger all the way out and scoop the grease into the base. Option 2, leave the plunger in place, unscrew the cone handle. Next, attach the grease dispenser to the grease fitting on the inside of the bearing packer and pump the grease into the reservoir. Once you have a couple inches of grease, remove the hose. Place the bearing into the housing, attach the cone handle, and press down evenly on the plunger. This forces the grease up from the reservoir and into the bearing. Once you see the new grease, the process is complete. Disassemble the bearing packer and pull out the bearing. Coat the rest of the bearing with grease and wipe off all the excess, and it's ready for installation. Well, there you have it, folks. The ARES 54035 and the 54036 two-piece Deluxe and Standard bearing packer kit. A complete kit for packing and flushing bearings quickly and easily. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe and ring the bell for notification. As always, thanks for watching and be safe out there.